Hey everybody, Mark on the road here, and I'm at Disney World at Wilderness Lodge at Copper Creek, and they have a very unique feature here that starts right here at this bubbling fountain. Throw some coins in there for good luck. Cross over the bridge, and then it continues right outside. So let's head out there and see where this goes. All right, we're gonna head outside and follow the river. Woo, it is a beautiful day down here in Orlando, Florida. You can see the water over there. It's beautiful out here. Continuing to follow the creek. There's where it came out, right over there by the building. Copper Creek Falls. There we go, it's still going. That water's flowing pretty good across the bridge. Now it's heading that way towards the waterfalls. There's an overlook here. There's the waterfall. That water is crystal clear. Keeps heading down. Let's go towards the bridge. Gonna head down this rock formation, down these stairs. Look at that water, makes you want to jump in it. Across the bridge. Remember how it started in the hotel and then it ends up going into the pool. What do you think of that? That is pretty cool and very unique. Well, how cool was that? It started at the Copper Creek Lodge at that fountain, and then down the creek, over the waterfalls, under a couple bridges, and then into the pool that you swim. There's also some water slides that you can do. So I think that's gonna do it here from Copper Creek at Wilderness Lodge at Walt Disney World. And on that note, Mark saying, see you on the road.